Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Siti, nama Salma dengan NIM 22002150. Pada kesempatan kali ini, saya akan mempresentasikan materi kelompok saya, yaitu Garbage Can Model and Janis Mann Conflict Theory. Number 1, Garbage Can Model, the decision-making model that was born by looking at decision process that is based on habit and prevalence of something and very little that consider the efficiency and effectiveness of decisions such the rational comprehensive model. This model has the belief that decision making is often in situation where the required information is complete. The purpose of this decision making is often vague, time is limited, and each actor involved has different interests. The garbage can model has the characteristic of entering a possible solution into the waste basket and then taking the best solution based on habits that are deemed appropriate to describe a predictable situation. This model is suitable for us in making policy decisions that occur in situations that are urgent. The garbage can model specifically says that habits influence the policy decision-making process significantly. In analyze that put forward the administrative dimension of the decision-making process, this model is often referred to a conversative. In simple terms, the working of this approach model are by including upfront problem, various alternative solution, participant involved, and choice opportunities, namely what method a person use in overcoming problems into something that is likened to a waste basket. After this has been done, a police analyst will decide what method to use as a result of working the money in the waste basket, which are usually in accordance with people's habits in solving problems. And then weakness and stretch garbage can model. Number 1, weakness. The garbage can model is an approach model that seems to ignore the context of the existing problem because it addresses the previous experience or habits and the choice of solution taken in the based on habit rather than comprehensive data based on thinking. Number 2, stretch. The advantage that we can see from this approach model is that it tries to be more adaptive because it is based on the understanding that there is naturally objective solution in solving problems. And then number 2, Janis Mann conflict theory. Chinese men in general, individuals will face conflict in making a very important decision. The emergence of conflict makes decision making very careful in making decisions to deal with risks that will arise. These conflicts will be will also affect individual to accept or reject action that must be taken in accordance with the decision made. Attitudes and situations that will appear are crucial doubts, indecision, uncertainty, and state of stress when the decision has been made. Based on Janis Mann's statement, the method that is considered effective in making decisions is the method that uses the conflict theory model. This method is considered to be able to see all the consequences that might occur when a decision is made. In addition to the basic approach, there are also methods that cover several related matters, namely, number one, antecedent condition. This condition is any event that precedes the decision-making process. The most influencing variable is individual communication. Of communication, some will get knowledge, warnings, other information is relevant to the decision they make. Other factors that will also influence are situation factor, personality, and other characteristics. Number two, mediating process. It is a process in which the individual is faced with two conflicting choices and raise conflicting consequences as well. But three, every choice taken in the mediative process will lead to consequence. If the answer given are negative, are the individual experience unconflicted at adherence, unconflicting change, defensive avoidance, and hypervigilance, and the answer are positive, then what will happen is vigilance, where he will be very careful and consider in taking steps. Baiklah, sekian dulu presentasi dari saya. Apabila ada kesalahan kata dan kata yang kurang berkenan, saya mohon maaf. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.